Hi everyone! Welcome back to Taratella, and today magkakaroon po tayo ng reading para kay Alden Richards. So, he's a Capricorn as far as I know. And let's see kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe regarding his career muna. Okay, so later on, before the end of this video, tingnan natin yung love life niya. But let's see muna kung ano ang nangyayari, general energies ng kanyang career, business. Okay? So, meron tayong Lily, spiritual love. So, I think yung spiritual love dito represents his supporters, no? Yung supporters ni Alden. So, yeah, patuloy sila nagsusupport kay Alden. That's a very strong indication. Quill, get back to basics. So, I think whatever basic that is, maybe he has to prepare sa isang project. He has to prepare himself for a project na kailangan ng, you have to be traditional in acting or whatnot. So, kailangan niya siguro ng workshop for a specific project. Okay. Wait a second. So, I want to get more. Let's see. Kasi hinati ko to eh. We have broken ring. Parting of the ways in either romance or business. So, may broken ring siya. Something has ended here. Could be about romance. So, if guys, alam nyo to, let me know about it. Kung ano yung broken ring sa buhay ni Alden. But there is a certain thing na talagang I think this is very depressing energy for him. Kung ano man yung broken ring na yun. Let's get more. We have vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. So, okay, meron siyang depression dito. Ano to? Kung alam niyo man to, guys, kung ano yung nangyayari kay Alden, let me know. I will open the comment section box. Okay. Let me check on the other oracle cards. So, let me arrange this para magkasya yung cards. Let's see kung ano yung other cards na, papakita ng universe sa atin regarding his career, his business. So, something made him very depressed dito sa vulture energy. Sorry, medyo malikot talaga ako guys, kaya maalog-alog yung sorry guys, okay. Yan, meron siyang depression and anxiety dito. Nagwo-worry siya about something sa kanyang career. And this is maybe related sa broken ring. Okay? That made him very depressed. Okay, we have here fine print, detail, look closer, inspection. So, kailangan niya maging careful, interesting. Pay attention to things na medyo may red flag sa buhay niya. Kasi baka nami-miss out na to. He has to really look into every details, look into every angle, no? Bago siya mag-trust sa isang tao. Spilled milk. May regret siya dito, may accidents. So, something has really disappointed him, no? Okay. It's a mistake. But it's already in the past. So, kung ano man yung spilled milk in his life, okay, this something na talaga na kina-depress niya or na-regret niya or he felt very, very disappointed dun sa nangyari, okay? Person of fire. The trend-setting leader, confident, visionary, catalyst, energetic, entrepreneur. Ayan. This is a really great energy kasi siguro although he's a Capricorn, maybe his rising is it could be Leo. It could be Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. So, meron siyang element siguro na ganun. Let me adjust the camera. Sorry guys, ang likot ko talaga. Ang clumsy-clumsy ko mag-tarot. Anyway, papatawarin nyo naman ako. And thank you so much for coming over here, no? Okay, let's see. We have diamond, creative force, faithfulness, value, perfection, brilliance, commitment, light, purity, esteem. Okay, so this is a really great energy, guys. For those of you who are supporting Alden, no, you've been supporting him for many years. I mean, ang tagal na rin niyang artista, no? So, ang dami ring ups and downs sa kanyang career. Well, we all know about that. Lalo na yung mga nanonood ng mga shows niya, yung sinusubaybayan siya. But there's going to be a very, a great transition for him kasi maybe his element of fire, kung ano man yun sa rising niya, it will be very dominating to achieve such perfection or value sa isang project na iniisip niya. This diamond, okay? Not all the time nakukuha ko tong diamond oracle na yan, but this is really great. This is really prosperity. It's about abundance, about bounty, and spiritual power. Nakikita ko dito invincible spiritual power. It could be related to spiritual love. Kasi siguro yung mga supporters niya, they all pray for him. They really, say a little prayer for Alden from time to time. Or he has some prayers na ina-answer na ni God, no? As of the moment. And kung ano man yung depression na nangyari, kasi this is very related to this oracles. Itong dalawang to. Kasi he missed out on something here. Kasi parang binaliwala niya yung mga red flags or yung mga mistake ng ibang tao. Binaliwala niya yun eh. Parang hinayaan niya lang. He just forgive and give. Parang ganun yung nangyari dito. But eventually, nagkaroon siya ng spilled milk. He regretted kung bakit siya nag-trust dun sa person na yun. Nagre-regret siya. Yeah. Parang na-destroy talaga yung trust and it led to some kind of a depression here, which is this one, Vulture and Broken Ring. Okay, so let's take a look at some tarot cards, guys. That could be related dito. Okay. Sa kanyang career. And then later on naman yung love life. Medyo ano lang naman sa love life. Saglit lang din. We have here Ace of Cups. Oh, there's going to be a new project that he will love. He will definitely love this project. Kung ano man to. He will enjoy it very much. And we have the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, he's going to continue to focus on this project. Ayan, very diligent siya dito sa kanyang tawag dito, very diligent siya sa pag-work dito sa project na yan. This is Ace of Cups, something that he really likes to do. Siguro hindi niya pa nagagawa in the history of his career. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Alright, so let's see what else. Okay, we have the Two of Cups. Okay. There will be some development in his love life. Something that very mutual. Okay, wow. Ace of Cups and Two of Cups in his career. Wow, man. So, may develop the feelings dito sa kanyang, I don't know, maybe a leading lady. Yeah. That's the reason probably why he's enjoying it because there's like a development of feelings. Parang ganon. It's very normal. Diba? It's very easy to develop feelings sa tao na nakakatrabaho mo. I'm sure naman sa inyo lahat, guys. Sa mga offices nyo, 'di ba? Kung saan man kayo nagtatrabaho, nangyayari 'yon. How much more pa kayo sa showbiz yung actingan nila serious, 'di ba? But anyway, I'm so happy to see this, except from those things na reveal ni universe regarding his depression or anything about his broken ring, yung energy na yon. So, let's take a look at naman ang kanyang love life. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin ko. Ito na lang siguro. Okay, we have 5 minutes to go and let's see. Universe, please give us a message for Alden Richards. We have family. Okay, so parang nag-iisip siya ng dito, family. Parang He's looking into settling down, something like that. Parang meron siyang desire na nade-develop in his mind that he wants to have a family of his own, parang ganon. We have here clarity, truth, intentions, and honesty. Siguro ito yung pinupursue niya sa life niya in terms of um, yung pag-date, no? Pakikipag-date. Parang kailangan niya ng truth, honesty sa person na kinakausap niya kasi yun yung goal niya. Sincerity and honesty, parang ganun. Rejection, abandon, dismiss. So, merong rejection dito na nangyari. I don't know what this is, but you maybe know about this. Someone rejected him, abandoned him, or nagkakaroon siya ng fear or anxiety na somebody will reject him or abandon him, parang ganon. We have trapped, stuck, captive, typed down. Okay. Let's clarify that later on, no? Gagamit tayo ng tarot. And then 3 minutes to go. Let's see. We have twin flames. Oh, okay. So, this could be related to the two of cups na nakita natin because it's quite, very relevant to that, the twin flames. So, he has some shared emotions with someone. I'm not seeing this as a present, pero it could be in the future energies. No. Let's clarify these energies. So, universe, please give us the message. What are these energies about? So, tingnan natin. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, he really needs to manifest this. Kung gusto niya ng family and someone that he can trust with a good intentions, alam mo yon. He really have to manifest this and pray over this kasi hindi lang siya or dalawa sila, but is also really involved God no sa kanyang decision about that if he wants to settle down, parang ganon. We have here the 3 of Cups. This is a really good energy kasi if he felt so rejected by someone, there are some people na really concerned about him, care for him genuinely. That's the 3 of Cups. Although there could be a reason behind the rejection kasi meron third party situation. Maybe iba yung pinili ng isang tao, something like that. Because the 3 of Cups could be he has 3 threes here. Two threes here. So there could be an energy na baka merong isang taong pinili yung isa, kaya meron siyang energy ng rejection sa kanyang oracle card. Oh, sorry, I'm not doing the reversals for celebrity readings. We have Knight of Wands. Okay, guys, this is fire energy. So, he is going to meet someone na talagang very fiery ang energy, very passionate. When it comes to passionate, high libido. Yon, Knight of Wands. That's a really good sign because he's going to enjoy that a lot. Although this person can be very sensitive when it comes to anger management, parang ganon. So he has to beware for that, no? 8 of Wands, beautiful. So this is an energy na very fast ang changes sa buhay niya. Could be related to when it comes to the love life, it could be related to work kasi 3 of Pentacles is all about building relationships and building a project or something like that. So this could be involved in his career, but I can see here this is a 8 of Wands. So ito yung mabilisang changes and maraming major decisions na kailangan niyang pagtuunan ng pansin. And the Knight of Wands is really good because this is an energy of passion, no, yung libido and all of that. So if he is open for that, why not? Kasi ito yung parang kapalit ng being rejected and being trapped, because he has a trapped here. No, he's tied down to some kind of a depression or fear of abandonment. So this can parang patched it out, no? Itong Knight of Wands. Anyway, this is his reading. Thank you so much for coming over here in my channel. Maraming salamat, and I will be back soon for celebrity readings and tarot readings for you guys, tellers. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Love and light. Namaste.